Ojo World, what's going on? So we are in the building. As promised, we have a special guest on the inside, no stranger to the Ojo, Lucrativ.
Wait.
What's going on, my brother?
I did, that's normal, man, for the hour.
Busy with how have things been, my brother? A little while now, I'm here.
Well, been pushing the music, keep doing my things, keep staying around, you know how it does go. The ups and downs, you know, you had to work hard at this thing.
Well, yeah. 2025. How good has it been to you thus far? Well, 24 into 25.
So far so good. The first track I dropped, which was Disco with Lord Nelson, getting a nice feedback and nice. I'm getting some good reviews with that.
Alright, that is what a power groovy. What is falling under?
That fall under kind of kai so groovy. Down in the disco, dancing away the night when we down in the disco.
Right.
Yeah, Lord Nelson, you know.
You are the boss?
Yeah.
Who's the man pen up? Who pen up? Who do this?
I pen it alongside Mr. Vibe, Patrick Gordon, and Kyle playing a little thing. So mainly it was I came up with the track and Kyle and them adding, you know, the flavor to it. Kyle Phillips are talking about and Mr. Vibe. Yeah.
Right. And who you know brought that connection together?
So let me tell you, the first thing I went by Kyle, I tell him I like Disco Daddy, let me do something like that.
Yeah.
So me and Kyle sit down, come up with the beat together, you know, just vibing in studio, Kyle playing thing and I mumbling and whatnot. Went home, write the song, come back, check Kyle, we touch up a little bit, and then Kyle say he sent it to Lord Nelson, seeing that we kind of take inspiration from him to get the okay. Lord Nelson hear it and say he want to be on it.
Alright. That good vibe, you know?
Yeah, that boy, I can't ask for nothing better than that, you know. Good
vibe, man. So this is it just been released, or how long now has this song
This song.
The first interview?
Nah. So what I here for today is the next song I drop in, which is
so
Juicy.
Something else.
Yeah, Juicy.
Alright. Juicy.
Yeah. So Juicy, producer from St. Lucia.
Yeah.
Bad Song Bozo. Right. I don't know, probably Bad Song is a tag. But anyway, he sent me the rhythm. When I hear it, I say, yeah, vibes. I started coming up with something because, you know, St. Lucia is denary segmented.
Well, yeah.
So it's that kind of steam.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, I no stranger to that. So I went in and I say, let me do something proper.
Well, let's see what's going on in 2025. They're kind of mixing the soca with a little steam.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you're watching what's going on.
Correct is right.
So you have to evolve with the time.
Well, I've been doing that for a while, eh?
Been
doing, you know, crossing over the soca in a kind of way.
Right. Well, we don't waste no time. Lucrativ in the building, Midday Scandal. Introduce it to the Ojo. Let's go one time.
96.1, you're listening to Juicy. Big up yourself. Ish. Yo.
Lucrativ.
Juicy.
Ish. That thing with that. Juicy. You do it good. You're Gucci. Like that Shia. Lucy. I like how it fat and juicy. Juicy. Look how you just grip it up. So tight you can't zip it up. And the young girl pick it up. Bend down, let me lift it up.
Bend down, body firm, girl, none hang down.
Whoa. Whoosh. Juicy. That thing wet on. Juicy. You do it good. You're Gucci. Like Destroyer. Lucy. I like how it fat and juicy. Juicy. Look how you just grip it up. So tight you can't zip it up. On the ground, girl, pick it up. Bend down, let me lift it up. Hey.
Bend down, body firm, you're nothing hang down. Bad for real, you're not pretend now. Post a flick and set the trend now. Bend down, fat in the back, you could lend now. Clap with your BBL friend now. Let me see to all your bend down.
Let we start the stupidness. Y'all bounce on the licorice. She said, boy, stop your foolishness. That wine girl I can't resist. That wine full of wickedness. Target that and I don't miss. I like how you turn and test. I ringing out all the juice in this. Hey, juicy. Look how you just grip it up. So tight you can't zip it up. On the ground, girl, pick it up. Hey.
Yeah, what? You get bent for the rocket.
Right.
Time to build a sweat, you'll knock
Yeah.
it. You're going to get out of pocket.
Yeah.
We trending a juicy topic. You know that it fat, don't block it. Too much speed, police can't stop it. Can't wait for me chance to knock it. Done pre-order before you drop it.
Let we start the stupidness.
Yeah.
Y'all bounce on the licorice.
Right.
She said, boy, stop your foolishness. That wine girl I can't resist. That wine full of wickedness. Hey, I don't miss. I like how you turn and twist, ringing out only. Hey, what? Hey, juicy, juicy, yeah, juicy, 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 yeah, juicy, juicy, juicy. Yeah, the script it up, so tight you can zip it up. On the ground, y'all pick it up. Bend down, let me lift it up. Hey, juicy, 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 juicy. On the road, juicy, juicy, for Juve. Hey, yeah, the script it up, you can zip it up. On the ground, y'all pick it up. Bend down, let me lift it up now. Yeesh.
Wait one time. Juicy, boy.
Yeah.
Look people that look flames, the same proper thing.
Yeah,
Loose
mad.
for the Juve.
Mad.
You hear any steam in it?
Tell you behind the big, behind the
Juicy.
truck, you understand?
Yeah, let's go down the road, yeah.
Go down the road, behind a bumper.
Hey, Lucrative in the building, boy. So what going on? What's next for my brother Lucrative? Tell me, what going on? Next collaborations, new music, or you're riding this rhythm here?
I'm going along with the Sunny Disco right now.
You're going on with these two?
Yeah, with these two. I have our next thing kind of bubbling there. I'm studying whether to let it go or not. Kankalang is the name of it. Kankalang, you understand? Tonight I'm feeling to party, I'm feeling real airy, I'm feeling to jam. Look, Kankalang, you understand that energy?
What about visuals?
I have a visual for disco right now.
Yeah.
We went all out. We got my videographer, Cameron Campo.
Alright.
Yeah,
What going on with the Juicy? You looking like or something?
Yeah, well, right now I'm trying to build the interest, at least get the radios and them having to play in it.
Yeah, beat it on the ground a little bit first.
Yeah. And then I had to come with a proper. I tell you, I'm no stranger to this. I do have video already. I had that thing. I was testing in the back of it a little while ago.
Yeah.
You understand? In your mouth was in the other one. Real Steve. So
In your
when
mouth.
when it's time for Juicy, don't worry. We gonna do it the proper way.
Steam it up. Alright. Get them some handles now. We're trying to reach on to you.
Yeah, well, Lucrativ is the name. So Lucrativ. And for social media is _TT. So Lucrativ_TT. Lucrativ_TT.
Yeah, man.
Fine
So,
with it.
big up my brother Lucrative, no stranger to the Ojo world. Family. That was his
Ojo.
release. Yeah, all the time.
Well, you
Lucrative,
call in
brother.
and request WhatsApp and request the tune and them, yeah. Support the local.
Juicy. So the midday team in the building. Kerron Smurder. What we doing there, brother?